Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing Windows so the live wallpaper runs smoothly. Make sure you have Windows 10 or 11 and at least 4 GB of RAM. Once done, free about 500 MB of disk space and temporarily set desktop background to a solid color to avoid conflicts. Next, download a trusted live wallpaper engine installer and run it as administrator. This grants necessary permissions. While installing, read each prompt and make sure to allow any optional visual components. They enable motion and audio. Now install required frameworks like DirectX or NET if the installer asks, because these enable GPU acceleration and stability. Open the Wallpaper Engine app and browse for F1 Live wallpapers. Preview a few until visuals and motion meet expectations. Once you pick one, click Apply and then adjust playback settings, set FPS limit, toggle audio, and enable Start with Windows if you want it persistent. Make sure to set Wallpaper Performance Mode to balance quality versus CPU/GPU use, so multitasking stays responsive. Finish by rebooting to confirm the F1 Live wallpaper launches automatically. If it does not, relaunch the Wallpaper app as administrator and reapply the chosen wallpaper. If you need better performance, lower the FPS or enable pause on full screen so games and full screen apps get full resources. If you encounter a black screen or choppy motion, update your GPU drivers and relaunch the app. Make sure Windows Power Plan is not limiting performance. One quick troubleshooting tip: run the engine as administrator to resolve most permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.